So the Alberta Solar Decathlon project is a collaborative effort between the University of Calgary, Mount Royal University, State Polytechnic, and Alberta College of Art and Design, where a group of over 150 students, faculty, and participants from industry got together, led by the students, to design from the ground up a 100% solar-powered home for the U.S. Department of Energy's Solar Decathlon competition, hosted in Washington, D.C. on the National Mall back in October of 2009. The inspiration was an opportunity to really showcase the talents of Alberta's youth in an environment where they can be challenged to reach out beyond their traditional disciplines that they may be going to school for and learn from others working on other things. So we had architecture students working with engineering students, working with trades, working with interior designers and public relations students, business students, artists, all collaborating together to create something that can tell a different story about Alberta's involvement in the energy sector, something that is a little bit more green. This project really hit home on a number of fronts. Primarily, it raised a huge amount of awareness in the area of net zero energy home building. We created a home that produced as much energy as it consumed on a yearly basis. Certainly the week we were in Washington, D.C., even in a rainy week. It was an extremely efficient home, and it really strove to show that people can build these homes now with retail products. We didn't use anything that was not on the market already. It was all the integration of how these products on the market came together to create this very innovative home, very innovative system, and something that looked beautiful. So that really resonated with people both here in Alberta and when we were down in Washington, presenting Alberta in a different light than the US, people down in the US normally see it. Since we've gotten back to Calgary, we've received a bunch of phone calls from homeowners looking to build new homes, wondering, hey, is this home going to be built here? Are you building more of these homes? I'd like to buy one. So we've definitely received a lot of interest on that front. And on top of that, through our partnership with our sponsors and other industry supporters, government supporters, we seem to have generated a certain amount of momentum in that direction where our sponsors and our supporters are actively engaging in business practices now, heading in that same direction towards a net zero energy home.